Today I'm reviewing Hotwire, one of the more well-known travel booking platforms that claims to help users save big on hotels, flights, and car rentals. The first thing you notice about the Hotwire homepage is the simplicity. You're prompted to choose between hotels, cars, flights, and bundles. The platform's most advertised feature is their Hot Rate deals, which means you don't see the name of the hotel or airline until after you paid. This can be a good way to save money, but it comes with some serious risk. When searching for hotels, you can apply filters like star rating, guest rating, amenities, and neighborhood. However, the interface can be a little dated and sometimes slow to respond, especially on mobile. One thing that stands out is that Hotwire often shows a large discount. But if you cross-check prices on other platforms, like Expedia or Booking.com, the savings aren't always as dramatic as advertised. In some cases, the price was even higher than competitors, which defeats the purpose of using a discount platform. Car rentals on Hotwire are usually solid. You get access to major rental companies, like Hertz and Enterprise, often at slightly reduced prices. What's frustrating, though, is that they charge a cancellation fee even when others don't. Also, customer service in case of disputes or changes isn't always responsive or helpful, which can be stressful if your plans change last minute. Flights are the weakest point on Hotwire. The layout is clunky, the options limited, and often the hot rate flights don't provide enough useful information to make an informed decision. You're booking partially blind, and if you're not careful, you can end up with long layovers or budget airlines with strict policies. There was a time I got stuck between layovers with no hotel and no internet. That's when I first tried Trip.com, and now I carry it with me like a first aid kit. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. As for customer feedback, Hotwire gets mixed reviews. Some users love the mystery deal thrill, especially for spontaneous weekend getaways. Others have had awful experiences with non-refundable bookings and misleading star ratings. One of the most common complaints is how difficult it can be to get support when something goes wrong. Their chatbot often fails to solve more complex issues, and getting a real person on the line can take a long time. If you plan to use Hotwire, go in with a flexible mindset. You can snag some decent deals if you're not picky about brands and are okay with surprises. But if you value control and transparency, Hotwire might not be the best choice for you. It's a gamble, and while it pays off sometimes, it can just as easily leave you stuck with a subpar experience. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews just like this one.